Oh. Yeah! Huh? Oh? Ah? Ah! Beep, 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 beep. Huh? Huh? Ah. Mama. Huh? It's just a dream. What's the matter, Ray? I think it's about to hit with the pan. With this pan. Oh, you're right, Red. Just having a dream. Having a bad dream this time. Oh, it's your 15th birthday to Angry Birds. Oh, thanks, Blue. Oh, thanks, you're welcome. So, if you like this right now, you have something to tell. But I think it's just a thought about. But I think it's just. So, if a king pig will survive with the pigs, while carrying this bird here, this baby bird. Oh, it's you. Oh, thanks. You're welcome. So you like this? Yeah, 15th anniversary to Angry Birds, yeah? But wait. Oh, hey viewers. Now, I accidentally posting the art, AB 15th anniversary art yesterday, but now it's today. But you're not gonna delete the art anymore. We've having. I don't want to delete the art. Okay, thanks. Happy 15th anniversary. Well then, what do you want now? Oh, thanks, Red. You wanted to do, yeah. If you're not sure, you just believed. What? I thought the baby bird. Oh, well, it must be the mini pigs. Yeah! Woohoo! Ow! Yeah! Ow! Wee! I come! Ow! Huh? Well, Red? You can do it. Of course. Ready? Ready? Oh, can I have a try? Wait, help! Huh? How? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Red. Well, get out right now. Oh. Huh? I captured the baby red bird. Oh, Red, can I have a go? Yes, you did. Well, what shall we do now, Piggy? Yeah? Woohoo! Yeah! from the boomerang, man. Huh? What? I'm gonna eat my bed. Help! I'll save you. I'm gonna eat you. Huh? What's happening? Whoa! Congratulations, Hal. Thanks, Red. Well, thank you, Hal. You're welcome. Da 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 bum 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 bum. Whoa! Ha ha ha.